Landslides are one of the many naturally caused environmental hazards. It has four main causes. These are water, wildfires, volcanoes, and earthquakes. The more common one is water due to the amount of rainfall or flooding can lead to loose sediments falling down. Landslides may impact the people due to pricey repairs that must be made due to fallen buildings, houses, or destructions to people's cars. Landslides may also affect the environment by changing the whole overall topography of the environment. It can also destroy homes of wildlife and it may cover their homes, not allow them to escape. Also, it might affect the flow of rivers and streams due to rocks falling on their way, not allowing for the full flow of water.
All right. An earthquake is any sudden shaking of the ground that is caused by seismic waves passing through rocks in the earth. Earthquakes usually occur along the edges of tectonic plates. An example of this is the Pacific Rim, which is a highly seismic region around the Pacific Ocean. Earthquakes are sudden release of energy. This energy can be released by elastic strain, gravity, chemical reactions, or even the motion of massive bodies. Tectonic earthquakes can be explained by the elastic rebound theory. There are three different types of plate boundaries that can cause earthquakes: strike-slip boundaries, divergent boundaries, and convergent boundaries. The shaking caused by seismic waves can cause damage to buildings and even cause buildings to collapse. The level of damage done to a structure depends on the amplitude of the duration of the shaking. Structures can fall and buildings must be made stronger in areas that are affected by earthquakes. Landslides and liquefaction can occur as a result of earthquakes. Additionally, tsunamis can occur as a result of earthquakes, and they usually take place within the ocean. Earthquakes can cause damage to land areas such as agricultural areas and other natural resources. Earthquakes can damage farms and affect the livelihoods of people. Earthquakes can damage natural courses of rivers and lakes. Earthquakes can lead to landslides, which hurt the natural surroundings in which they take place, and animals and other organisms can potentially be affected by earthquakes.
So, there are three causes to tsunamis being formed. One is landslides, two is earthquakes, and three is volcanic eruptions. And each one of these cause enormous amounts of energy and force to be carried out through the water, causing a massive tsunami. Now for the impact on people, it's actually really bad because there's never been a positive impact of tsunamis. Each tsunami can create millions of dollars in financial loss. It can destroy roads, it can destroy houses, tear apart buildings, and it can just decimate anything in its path, including humans. So it takes a lot of deaths every year. When tsunamis hit, they don't take a side. They destroy anything in their path. So the impact on the environment is just as bad as the impact on humans. The impact on the environment will destroy any habitat any animal has created. It'll destroy the plant life. It'll tear apart trees. It'll cause landslides. And it'll just flood everything until everything dies.